Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Learn to Make and I'm Zifeng. So today I'm going to remake the logo that I made in the first episode because it is really bad. And so I'm going to show you how to make an animated logo using an online software which is automatic. So you just need to upload your logo and it will calculate and render it for you. So this is the logo intro and let's go. Okay, I've just made some changes. I've changed my lighting. So I make this slightly warmer and this slightly cooler so that I have this orange and teal, hopefully orange and teal lighting on my face. Yeah, I'm just trying out. So first of all, for the logo, I'm going to find a good font that fits my purpose. Yeah, now I'm having my camera here, like you can see. My camera blocking half of the view of the screen, but it's okay because I can just make around with it. So I'm finding the font that is easier to read and catch the attention slightly more, I guess. Hmm, this is relatively good. Eh, I just turn on the fan because every time I'm recording, I'll turn off the fan. My fan is a table fan, so it vibrates the table slightly. Then maybe I'll try to edit out the sound. If not, every time I have to off the fan, which I will feel damn hot. So, uh, free download. Hello.唉, it says it's free, but it's troublesome. I'll just try what most designer use, Dafont. Actually, I prefer sans serif more than serif because I don't like the lines under every letter. So, big noodle tilting. So I was thinking that I should make a logo that is just the initial LTM or the full name, Learn to Make. But then I've decided to make a Learn to Make a full name in the logo. First thing first, download everything. Actually, I should find some that is like work in progress text, blueprint. It's quite nice. Or sketches. Oops, incomplete. Handwritten. Graffiti. Nope. Various. Grids. Grid sounds good. Alright, this is the kind that I want. Hello Blueprint and RNC. I like this more than the rest that I saw, so I'll just download this. Okay, so to install the text, it's very simple. You just press install. Let's say learn to make. So the text that I chose just now was R and C. What type is there? Demo? Wait, how come it looks different from this? Is it because it's small? Oh, it is. I've ungrouped the text and group it back together. Learn to make. It is mainly to be a logo for the channel, and the logo on YouTube is a circular one, so it's better for me if I create a squarer text. It's look good when it's big, but when the logo is small, it'll be black, which I don't like it. Actually, I can get this also. Maroche. Okay, learn to make. Hmm. Alright, it works. Learn to make. Create outline, ungroup. I don't want this two, I just want learn to be this. Actually, I like this part. Make is good with this because it got the making element. But learn RO. So when RO happens, nope, RO, nope, no, nope. Oh, learn, create outline, ungroup. I'll take this. We group together. So I'll take this R and I'll take this A. Oh no, I should take the N. Stroke. LEARN. The reason I like this font is because it got this curve, which when I think of learn, I'll think about the brain. So I can convert this into something that look like a brain. Wait, how does brain even look like? Icon. Okay, I like this slightly more, and I'll drag this in. So I rotate it 90 degree. Send to back. Now, let's see if I got this. Okay, this is just a rough sketch. Learn. Oops. Okay, I think I'm going to change the learn, the brain. It doesn't really have the feeling that I want. Okay, how about a sketchier font? Learn to spell. Oh, this looks much better. So the learn is a handwritten word because learning is a process that grows and making is a more tedious, requires more planning. Actually, I kind of like this. The easiest way to steal other people's work. It's a bad example, but yep, that's it. Click advance, and if you ignore the white, eh, eh, trace, ignore white. So after it, you have to expand it. Expand will give this smart object a path. Yep. And now, because that is expanded, I can take this and there'll be this path which is not useful. So now I got this, which I can play with it like yellow. Okay, this is my first draft. I know it's not even nice, but then I like it. Uh, it's okay to be bad. You can always learn and become better after you have learned more of the technique. Am I even recording? Yep, I am. Learn to make. I guess I'll stick with yellow because I hope that I'll make your day brighter. That's why it's yellow. Okay, is this okay? Is this okay? I think it's a very big improvement, right? Yep. I'm not asking, I'm saying. Of course, it's much better. Damn it. I progress from this to this. Hmm. Give myself a clap. Okay. The thing is, what is the point of a logo if I doesn't want to use it, right? In this video, I said that I'm going to make a animated intro, which require me to have a logo, and that's the reason that I have made a new logo. This website is called Videos, ViddyOze. It's the link at the description below. It's not affiliated. Just that I bought this a long time ago and I've never really used it. Now I'm going to try using it for myself. So of course, I'll choose one yellow and a blue. These are contrasting color. Yeah, I guess they are. Am I right? Okay, so this is roughly how it looks like. Yes, create a video. So videos will calculate everything and render it for me. Then I'll just export it and save it to my computer. So after I can put it inside the editing software, which I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro. And yeah, I'm just waiting for the rendering right now.